Hello, everyone. So this list is about what you should know before you get excited about finding a list, because a lot of people will try to piecemeal together how to do overages by a whole bunch of YouTube videos, but there is a lot of intricate details that you need to know. So this video is for what you need to know before you even get a list. And so I'm going to go over this because I've been doing this for a while and even I forget sometimes. So just to give you a little backdrop, it is 2020. And as you know, COVID has stopped a lot of tax deeds. So what ends up happening is, oh shoot, sorry. My phone was ringing. So what ends up happening is that a lot of excess proceeds don't end up happening because there's no tax deduction. However, I live in Texas, but I'm from California, and Texas is a 2-year redemption period and California is 1. And so I was so excited to find this list because it has 3, as you guys can see here. And it says these funds are available for 3 years. So I was super excited about that. However, this is what most newbies make the mistake of doing. And I cover this in my cohort, and I also cover this in when I work one-on-one with people. But what I want you to know is that it's easy to find a list. But what you need to know is actually this. I'm going to click back. And if you read the details, this basically says it is unlawful for any person to receive or contact with any person for locating funds held by the county that are proceeds from a foreclosure or delinquent property tax. So basically, even though I found this list, me as a third party cannot collect. So that is like the number one mistake that I feel when I'm talking to newbies. They want to know, oh, like, how do I find a list? And I do show you how to do that. However, you got to look at the details. So this is one small detail that you need to know. And this actually, it has a law. This is Washington, by the way, and it prohibits people from actually obtaining the list and calling. So if you were to do that and they're to find out, I'm sure there's some type of penalty for that. So I'm doing this video just to say that every list isn't great. And I particularly, when I'm teaching my students, is to not look for the list first. You want to look for details like this first before you actually scratch your brain or try to figure out how to find a list. I hope this video helps. If you found this valuable and good information, please like the video. Please make a comment. And if you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much and have a great day.